In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to move files from Dropbox to computer. This will be a quick, clear walkthrough you can follow in real time. We're keeping it simple so you can get your files exactly where you need them without any confusion. First, open your Dropbox account in your web browser and sign in the way you normally do. Once you're in, navigate to the file or folder you want to move to your computer. Take a moment to confirm you've selected the right item, especially if you keep similar files in different folders. It helps to preview the file or check the folder name to avoid downloading the wrong thing. Before you download, make sure your internet connection is stable. If you're on Wi-Fi, check that the signal is strong. If you're using a cable, make sure there are no loose connections. A steady connection prevents interruptions, especially for larger files. Also, ensure you have enough free space on your computer for the download. Now look to the right side of the file or folder name. You'll see a three-dot menu, sometimes called the More menu. Click that, and from the options that appear, choose Download. That's it. Dropbox will begin transferring the file to your computer. If you're downloading a folder, Dropbox may first compress it into a zip file. That's normal, and it just helps the folder transfer as one package. While the download is in progress, leave the browser tab open and avoid putting your computer to sleep. You can watch the progress in your browser's download bar. When it finishes, the file will be saved to your default downloads location. For most people, that's the downloads folder on your computer, unless you've set your browser to ask where to save each file. If your browser does ask, simply confirm or choose your preferred folder. After the download completes, open the file from your downloads folder to confirm everything looks right. If it's a zip file, double-click it to extract the contents, and you'll see the original folder and files inside. And that's all there is to it. You've successfully moved your file from Dropbox to your computer with just a few clicks. If this tutorial helped you, hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and tap the bell icon so you don't miss new uploads. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.